So this bold announcement coming out of the JFF that the embattled federation is boasting a surplus of over $60 million despite being overall indebted to the tune of $170 million. Of course, a yearly surplus is different from an overall debt in that the surplus is specific to a time frame, while the debt is more than likely rolling over and increasing with interest. But you know, all of this is financial gymnastics. The JFF obviously earned some unplanned for revenue, ironically, from the exploits of the reggae girls' surprising performance at the World Cup, in addition to that state secret Adidas deal. So this is not like some wave of shrewd financial management sweeping across the JFF. Not like that. It's all part of the recent political rhetoric coming out of the Federation. It's like they were contest a seat in the local government election. Yes. Yeah, the man in the orange shirt versus the man in the green shirt versus the JFF in the yellow shirt. Yes. Contesting the football division of the municipal council. Good luck, JFF. Good luck.